In this video, I'm gonna show you how you made $110 just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest step by step. I will share with you which services I was promoting on Pinterest. I will share with you how we can, for beginners, how we can start making money with Fiverr affiliate step by step. And I'm gonna share with you which services you should promote on Pinterest, because you cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people will be interested to buy from your affiliate link. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see, it's $110 and I made this commission just in few minutes. Okay, just with one Fiverr affiliate service. So for people who are new to Fiverr affiliate and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do is you need to go to Google first, go and search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you need to sign up by user email address. The sign up process to Fiverr affiliate to Fiverr is super easy and simple. Okay, after you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. So let me show you. If you click over here on commission plan, okay, let's scroll down. As you can see, this is a Fiverr CPA commission plan. It's up to $115 for all Fiverr Pro services. So if you promote, if just one person buy the one Pro service from your affiliate link, you will earn $115. That's really a lot of money, and $15 for those services. For services about graphic and design, data, mobile app, website development, $14 for those services. Website builders, data processing and graphic and design, game development, website design, $13 for e-commerce products, videos, logo maker, SEO, $25 for those services. As you can see, it's a really good commission, okay, for each services. And like I said, Fiverr Pro services are profitable. Just if it's just one person buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn $115. So to join Fiverr affiliate, you just need to click over here on join now, and here you go. As you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private. You will answer few questions. Okay, choose your country, scroll down and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next, answer the next few questions, and that's all. As you can see, it's super easy and simple. Okay, so after you finish your sign up process, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account and this will be your home page. So what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, go back to your home page. Okay, so now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. So click on the search over here and search for anime art. Okay, search for this service. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. You need to choose good sellers. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, if that makes sense. Okay, So you need to choose good seller. So let me see. So you can choose like Fiverr choice, level 2 seller, top rated seller, level 1 seller, and so much more. I'm gonna choose this one. This one is top rated seller. I will click on his service. He will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. As you can see, people are interested in this service. This people keep coming back and buying more services from this seller. Okay, so this service is a profitable service. Okay, that's why I choose this service. As you can see, this seller has 20 orders in queue, a lot of reviews, is top rated seller. People keep coming back to buy more services. What you need to do is you need to copy his profile link. Copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. Then click over here on this icon over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Then click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to copy this link and promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. How you can do this? It's easy and simple. So let's go to Pinterest. So you should have an account on Pinterest. If you don't have, go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Pinterest is super easy and simple. Choose business account. You need to open business account, not personal account. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Pinterest. So what you need to do next is you need to click on create, then click again on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Scroll down and put your affiliate link here. Okay, this is my affiliate link. What you need to do is you need to put title here, description, and picture about this affiliate service. How you can do this? Just go back to this seller page that you copy his profile link and you can use his information. I'm gonna copy, okay, just copy his title. I will use his title like this. Go to Pinterest. I will put this title over here like this and click on description. Let's go back to his profile page. Go back to this profile page, seller on Fiverr. Scroll down about this gig. This is his description. Okay, I'm gonna copy this part. I'm gonna just copy this part to show you like this. Pinterest. I'm gonna put this here. Like this. I'm gonna make it like this. Okay. Alright, like this. I'm gonna need picture. Let's go back to his profile page. Click on his picture. Like this. Double click. Save image. Okay, click on save image and save this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna name it Annie. Save. Let's go to Pinterest. Click on this icon over here and upload your picture like this. And here you go. This is your picture, your title, description, and your affiliate link. What you need to do is you need to click on publish and your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. As you can see, your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. This is your affiliate link, picture about your affiliate service, title, description, and that's it. So that's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest and start making money with Fiverr affiliate. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and leave a like this video, share this video with your friend, and see you in my next video.